Have you ever wondered what invisible elements are floating around us in our atmosphere? This seemingly simple question carries enormous weight and importance. Our atmosphere, this vast expanse of air that surrounds our planet, is a complex cocktail of gases and particles. Among these are trace gases and pollutants, constituents that exist in minute quantities yet have a significant impact on both our health and our environment. Understanding the sources of these trace gases and pollutants is crucial. It helps us to comprehend their role in environmental phenomena, like climate change, and how they influence air quality, with implications for our health. These invisible elements are more than just components of the air we breathe. They are pieces of a grand atmospheric puzzle, shaping our world in ways we may not even realize. So let's dive into the unseen world of our atmosphere and uncover the sources of these trace gases and pollutants. Our atmosphere is a complex mixture of gases and particles, each with a unique origin. Now let's delve into where these atmospheric components come from. We can categorize these sources broadly into two groups: natural and anthropogenic, or human-made. Both are critical contributors to trace gases and pollutants in the atmosphere, yet they do so in quite different ways. First, let's explore the natural sources. These are elements of our world that have been around for millennia, long before human civilization. Take volcanoes for instance. When they erupt, they spew out a cocktail of gases and particles, including carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. These substances can have both local and global impacts, influencing climate and air quality. Next up, we have wildfires. These are another potent natural source of atmospheric pollutants. When a forest burns, it releases large amounts of carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter into the atmosphere. These pollutants can travel vast distances, impacting air quality far from the fire's origin. Lastly, in the natural category, we have plant emissions. Yes, you heard it right, plants. They emit a variety of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, as part of their metabolic processes. These VOCs can react with other gases in the atmosphere to form secondary pollutants like ozone and particulate matter. Now, on to the anthropogenic sources. These are primarily a byproduct of modern human activities. Industrial processes, for example, release a vast array of pollutants, including sulfur and nitrogen oxides, heavy metals, and particulate matter. Vehicle emissions are another major contributor. Every time we drive our cars, we're emitting carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. These pollutants can have significant impacts on local air quality and human health. Finally, waste disposal processes such as burning and landfilling also contribute to atmospheric pollution. They release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, and a variety of toxic pollutants. Clearly, both Mother Nature and human activities play significant roles in shaping the composition of our atmosphere. So, the next time you take a breath of fresh air, think about all the complex processes and sources that contribute to that seemingly simple act. So, we've traveled through the invisible world of our atmosphere, learning about the various sources of trace gases and pollutants. We've peeled back the layers of this complex issue, highlighting the vital role these components play in our environment. We've discovered how they can impact not only our climate, but also our health and the health of our planet. We've unraveled the truth that many of these gases and pollutants originate from human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. This realization underscores the urgent need for us to adopt more responsible behaviors and practices to reduce anthropogenic emissions. Yes, the subject is complex, but the message is clear. We all have a part to play in the health of our atmosphere. By understanding the sources of these pollutants and making conscious choices, we can truly make a difference. Remember, our understanding and actions today can shape the atmosphere of tomorrow. Thanks for joining this atmospheric journey.